A little boy named Tim lived with his family near a forest. Tim loved to explore the forest and learn about the animals and plants there. His father often told him to be careful and stay close to home. One day, Tim saw a beautiful butterfly. It had bright colors, and Tim wanted to see it up close. He followed the butterfly deeper into the forest, forgetting his father's warning. The butterfly flew from flower to flower, and Tim kept chasing it. After a while, Tim looked around and realized he was lost. The trees all looked the same, and he could not find his way back. Tim started to feel scared. He sat down on a rock and began to cry. Just then, a wise old owl landed on a branch above Tim. The owl asked, "Why are you crying, little one?" Tim replied, "I followed a butterfly, and now I am lost. I don't know how to get home." The owl said, "Do not worry, I can help you. But first, you must promise to listen carefully and follow my advice." Tim nodded, wiping his tears away. The owl said, "Look around you. Do you see a path with small stones? Follow that path. It will lead you to a stream. Follow the stream, and it will take you back to your village." Tim thanked the owl and did as he was told. He found the path with small stones and followed it to a stream. He walked along the stream, and soon he saw familiar places. Tim ran back home and hugged his father. Tim learned an important lesson that day. He learned to listen to advice and to be careful when exploring new places. From then on, Tim always remembered the wise owl's words and stayed close to home when he went into the forest.